What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video, or welcome if you are new to the channel. My name's Matthew. So as you guys saw, I ran a Costco order, I filmed some of the shop and then the deliveries. Haven't had either of those customers before, so it's nice to see new people come in the algorithm. I did have a tip increase on that, so it went up to $62 after the delivery. I just picked up a Vons order. Now the funny thing, this doesn't have a tip on it. I'll show you guys on the screen here, but I'm pretty sure I've had this lady before. The address looked familiar and that's why I took it. So I'm gonna do the shop normal, and I'm just probably gonna drop a note saying something like, hey, for some reason this order didn't have a tip on it. She does tip pretty good. I believe if she tips, she'll tip something in the 20s, and I wasn't too far from the store, so I thought I'd drive by and at least do this and see if she would add a tip after. This has been a really weird week. I feel like I say that in every video. Some very good days and some very bad days. Last week was pretty bad. I'm not sure how you guys have been doing lately, but it has been very slow for Instacart lately. I don't know if people are ordering less or if there's just more shoppers and, you know, higher competition, but it has been very difficult to get good orders and consistent throughout the day without having sit time. I've noticed a lot of sit time lately, and I'm not sure if you guys have experienced the same thing. Today we're gonna do our best not to sit. I'm gonna try to stay moving. I don't want to get in a period where I've been waiting a long time before I take a batch. That has happened several times this week and it doesn't end up working out well. So I'm gonna head up to Vons, grab a cart, get this one going. Welcome to another video, you guys. Alright, little update for you guys. I just picked up a 71 double after a long wait, and the Vons lady hasn't tipped yet, so we'll see. I've done some no tips in the past where they tip like, I don't know, 5 days later. I know she tips. I was confirmed, you know, when I got to the house, I was like, I've been here like 3 times, but it has been slow. I waited too long to get this order. It's a great order. And it's awesome because I was able to pull it from, I think, like 5 or 6 miles away. And my range hasn't been that great lately. So this is a good batch, very good batch. Did wait a while for it. Probably could have ran something else in between and maybe still had a chance to get this. The thing that I always think of is like, if I did an order, because I saw like 2 orders going in this direction, closer to this store. I don't know if I would have seen this 71 had I done one of those orders. It's barely past 3 o'clock, so there's plenty of day left. This is gonna put me around 150. It would be nice if that lady tipped, because that would probably put me around 170. So far it's been a pretty slow Saturday, not a lot of volume, but this is a very solid order, so I'm excited to do it. Whatever day you guys are watching this video, I hope you're crushing it. If you guys are struggling, you know, drop comments down or drop comments about what's working for you guys. Lately it has been a struggle to get good orders and stay moving. Like, obviously I just had a long wait before this batch, but I think things are going to pick up since it is Saturday and, you know, it's after 3 o'clock now. Hopefully it's a smooth shop. 7-mile delivery, should be pretty easy. So I'll see you guys at the store. All right, just dropped that one off. That did put me at 148 on the day. Not bad for starting a little bit later. That Vaughn's order earlier, the lady still hasn't added a tip. It's weird because I've literally done her order like 3 or 4 times and she tips every single time. So maybe she's forgotten. I'm still hopeful. She may not tip today, but she could tip later on this weekend or next week. Like I said earlier, I've had no tip customers give me tips in the app like 5 days later. So, we'll see what happens. If not, it's still, it was an easy order. It didn't take me that long to do. Right now I'm in this famous gated community where I've lost plenty of good orders. So I'm making my way out, probably gonna go to Ralph's, see what they have for me. I'm trying to get over 200 quick because if I get over 200 nice and quick, that'll give me a good chance at 300 today. All right, you guys, so I am gonna get out of here and I'll let you know as soon as I pick up my next order. All right, you guys, let's go. We picked up an 80 single at Sprouts. It's over 100 units. It does have heavy pay. They have like 2 cases of this Mountain Valley spring water. Probably gonna be 2 carts. Lots of drinks on this order. This is awesome. This puts me right around 230. Should take me about an hour to do it. Gonna catch a quick charge after. This is definitely giving myself a chance to hit 300 now today, and maybe more depending on what else I see. So I'm gonna head up, grab a cart, and knock this guy out. All right, so that was some work. Got it done though, just over an hour 4 minutes, I think. Now I'm heading to get a quick supercharge in. It's not quite 6:30 yet, so there's plenty of time for another good one or a couple good ones. The night is still young. It's Saturday. Hopefully I'm not gonna have to sit and charge for too long. Hopefully I can get one when charging. Not exactly sure how volume is, but we're gonna jump back online and see what it looks like. So I'm about to pull up, get a quick charge, and I'll let you guys know what I take next. Definitely not gonna be too picky, so I'm gonna let you guys know as soon as I get that. All right, you guys, we picked up this quick 18 something and change. This is gonna put me around 250. It's gonna be a super quick job. It's like a 1.5 mile delivery, only a few items. I'm gonna knock this out real quick. All right, put us at 250, just a tick over 250, and it's about 7:20 right now, you guys. Plenty of stores open, plenty of potential tonight. Usually people always need something on Saturday nights, whether it be food, snacks, alcohol, whatever it is. A lot of people don't want to leave their house on Saturday. So I am optimistic. I'm hoping for something good. Something like over 30 or 40 would be very nice, because then I would just be like a 20 or a 25 away from 300. Overall for today, volume has really not been there, but the quality has been there. Being at the right place at the right time has definitely paid off, and hopefully I can do that a couple more times the rest of the evening. I don't want to work really late because tomorrow's Sunday. Sundays are supposed to be, the best days of the week, or at least close. I don't know about you guys, but the last few Sundays, I want to say the last 3 weeks, maybe more. I know the last 3 Sundays have been like really bad. Like not at all what they are usually. I honestly think like the last video I posted was the last really good Sunday, and I had to work pretty late, but that was a great Sunday. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna go to Sprouts or Ralph's. Plenty of stores still open, and I'll let you guys know as soon as I pick up my next batch. All right, you guys, we picked up a 39 double. It's like 13 miles, but I don't know if we're gonna get much better at this time. This is gonna put me at like probably very close to $2.90. I know I've had one of these customers before. They tip very well, but they only got 5 items on this order. So low items on my cart. We're gonna run through this and hopefully find a nice, quick, easy one after this. Okay, so you guys, this might go up. It's gonna go up if they didn't tip flat. My good tipper, like I told you, the one that I've had, I don't know, I had her for a really good order one time out of here. She just added a bunch of meat. So I have no idea what this is gonna go up to. She also added a pomegranate, which is, I don't know, like $5. But we'll see. She might wanna add a few more items before I check out. All right, you guys, we got that one dropped off. I was right about it. The lady that was the really good tipper kept adding stuff, and that order went up to $73. She added a bunch of meat. She added some other stuff. I think she always tips like 20% because the last time I had her, she was tipping like 20% also. That put me at $324 on the day. It's 9 o'clock right now. I am going to call it a day. I'm charging right now before I head home. I hope whatever day you guys are watching this video, you guys are having a great day, and I'm sending banger energy your way. As always, I greatly appreciate each and every one of you guys for watching my videos, supporting my channel, and seeing your guys' comments always gives me motivation to film and post more. So after I charge, I'm gonna pick up some dinner, go home, rest up for a big Sunday, hopefully tomorrow. That no tip Vaughn's order I did earlier may still add a tip, so if she does add a tip, I'll make sure and let you guys know in the screenshot of the end of the video. If she doesn't, it's still an amazing day. As always, I'm gonna toss my numbers on the screen, show you guys the breakdown of today. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.